Hey guys, how you doing? It's Guy. Thank you so much for watching this video. As I always say, I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. It's really helped me out. But hit that notification bell and you'll be notified every time I'm on YouTube giving you videos on MS, music, engineering, fitness, anything. Today I'm just going to talk about muscle memory, which is so important in my opinion for MS, because we get atrophy of our muscles, like shrinkage of our muscle fibers very easily with MS by not staying active, repeating certain tasks, which is what this video is about pretty much. Like, I am 100% that overload is just the key to just recovering from MS, protecting what you already have. It's just crucial. Pretty much what overload is your muscle is trying to adapt to the stresses that you're putting on it. An example is me playing guitar. If I play a scale, my fingers are gonna remember that pattern, how they move, how strong to hit the string, how much to press down, how much force I need on it, like how much I'm gonna stretch, just stuff like that. Another example is if I'm in the gym, then bicep curls, getting them guns blazing. my brain is gonna remember that movement of lifting the weight, and adding that stress is gonna tear the muscles, which is gonna repair, and when they repair, they're gonna come back stronger. The fibers are gonna be stronger, which is gonna make them grow. Overload can be done in a lot of different ways. I just use the example of increasing the resistance, which is increasing the weight that you're putting on the muscle. You can also increase the stress on the muscle by increasing the duration of how long you do an exercise. Another example for MS, as I've said, my tibialis it drags, so I have to remember to lift and then place it. So even that movement, my brain is gonna make that connection and it's gonna adapt to it. That's where neuroplasticity comes into it. It is where you're doing this repetitive movement. Your brain is gonna twig on and adapt to that. So that pathway is gonna be opened up and it'll become stronger and stronger and stronger. The process of like tearing down the muscles and rebuilding it is exactly the same with MS. But it's just this neuroplasticity, which is pretty much your brain. Think of it as like a circuit board or like a connections board or something, and you've got this path in your brain sending the message to that muscle from your brain that you want to lift your arm. So this message is going like this. However, you have problems raising it with your lats, so your muscle's then going to form another key off, and that message is going to start to slowly, it's going to be thin at the start, and then it's going to slowly grow and grow until your muscles adapt to that, and your brain, they need that. So yeah, that's pretty much simply neuroplasticity. Where neuroplasticity comes into play with MS is if there is lesions in the brain affecting that signal path, like I was saying before in my last video about the myelin sheath and having that kind of tear in it, is where the signals get disrupted and it takes longer. This is where neuroplasticity comes into play, like forming new paths, new skills, adapting. That's what the brain's for, adapting. Strong muscles that get weak due to the MS or because of the symptoms are still stronger than the weaker muscles affected by the lesions. Pretty much getting strong will keep you strong and it'll protect them muscles. So like if you are newly diagnosed or you haven't got to the stage where you're having really hard problems like moving, you're in a wheelchair, crutches, it's so important to get this muscle memory because you can protect what you already have. I had to do it the really, really hard way. Like I'm in the gym 1.5 to 2 hours a day, 5 to 6 days a week. I'm dieting, I'm just full on focused on bodybuilding. That's me. This doesn't have to be like you either. But because I've done it that way, I've had to recover my mobility and recover what I've lost, as well as protect it. So that's why I'm still going with it. It's never-ending battle. Like, you have to protect what you've lost and what you're trying to keep. as I said with the guitar, I'm trying to keep my finger dexterity. I'm trying to keep strong with my fingers. I'm trying to keep strong with my weights because I like the whole powerlifting thing and bodybuilding. That's me. In your case, it could be like you like cycling. So why not keep pedaling the bike? You need them muscles. Anyway, I hope this has helped in some sort of way, give you some motivation to do something, get up and get out there and all that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it's helpful, as I said. Let me know in the comments below how you've been with your MS. Let me know if this video has helped you, what you'd like to hear about more. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and press that notification, press like, comment. Just thank you so much, guys, if you've done that already. And I will see you next time.